Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mike. We're here with our 24options.com account today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 5-point trading, 5-decimal trading system that we showed with earlier with other binary options platforms, and I'm going to show you today on 24option.com. 24options is another one of our favorite trading platforms. We made really nice money with them. And one of the reasons we've made a lot of money with them is, and something that we like about their platform that not all platforms offer, is it allows you, in the 60-second options tab, it allows you to really choose exactly how much you want to invest. So again, for those of you who are new to binary options, you probably want to look at some of our other videos to understand how it works. So this is really just a video to show that this strategy does work. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how this platform works. We're going to show how we can implement the our 60-second options trading technique. So we're going to go here to the Euro US dollar. We're going to click it, and we're going to take a look at what's going on here, what's been going on for the last few minutes. And it's gone down, it's gone up here. So we're going to go with low. So puts. Now the minimum requirement for 24 options, the minimum investment is $25, which is higher than other options platforms. So when you do this technique with 24 options, you usually need to start out with a larger initial deposit in order for this technique to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to first invest $25 and go to buy. Okay. And we purchased a call, and we're going to watch to see what happens here. Now, what's different here about 24 options platform from other platforms is that you have to click in order to begin trading your to prepare your next trade. What I mean by that, this is the current trade, and it looks like we're winning this trade. But what we want to do is we want to get the next trade ready, Euro US dollar. Now, and we can see here what the status of the previous purchase was, and we entered a 1.35163, and it's 1.35148. Looks like we're going to win that one. Could change in the next 15 seconds, but probably not. So what we're going to do is we're going to go another $25 investment. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, let's just take a look at our balance. Now, like I said, when I always do this 60-second trading with the 5-point trading technique, I always have an Excel sheet. Okay, it looks like we won that one. Here we go. We have a $42.50 return. So that's $25 that we invested, $42.50 that was on our return. So that's a profit of about $17.50, something like that, which is higher than other platforms. But remember, again, with this technique, you need to have a higher initial deposit in order for this to work. So I'm going to always look at my Excel sheet and see what are the values that I need to do I need to invest in order that I will win back the amount of money from previous lost trades if I do lose a trade. And there are several different variants on this technique in that we can change it up here in 24 options, because it allows us to do this because we can really choose the amount that we're going to invest. So sometimes what I like to do is I like to make a certain amount on a certain profit on my trades. Like I would like for it to be consistent. So for instance, the $24 investment, that's the lowest investment that I can do, and you profit from it $17. So in the next trade, what I like to do is I'd like to profit as well the same amount as I did from the $25 investment, another $17. And what's nice about this method is that a lot of times it can work a lot faster than the other method, because you're consistently making $17 or $17.50 rather than making $2 or $3 on your investment, and having to wait for the fourth or the fifth trade in order for you to really start making money fast. So this one is a little bit more like I said, allows you a little bit more flexibility. So again, we're going to go to the Euro US dollar. We're already open on the Euro US dollar. Let's just take a look at our balance, $19,035. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go again with an initial investment of $25. I'm going to go with a call. I'm going to purchase it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to get the next investment ready, Euro US dollar. Okay, and here we see the status of the previous trade where we won $42.50. This one that we're currently at is 1.35148, 1.35152. Looks like it's kind of hovering around there, but it could change in the next 30 seconds. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the next trade just in case we lose. Now that trade is going to be $61. $61 means that we're also going to profit on 70% return. Our profit's going to be $103, $104. Looks like we're going to lose this trade. So I'm getting ready with my put. Yep, we lost that trade. So we're going to put in the $61 trade. Okay, like I said, now what the strategy here, again, for those of you who haven't seen our previous videos, is that you want to be able to catch the 5-point decimal, which means that you're going to have to trade sequentially. At the end of 60 seconds, it's very, very important to put in your next trade. And the next trade you're going to put in is going to account for the fact that you lost in the previous trade, and it's going to allow you to also make money at the same time. So you lost, for instance, $25 on the previous trade. So what we want to do is we are going to invest $61. What will allow for us to do is get back the money that we lost and also make profit. So we're going to get the next trade ready. We have 15